Hello everyone! So for those of you who do not know, I use Shiloh Beauty from Perfect Shades Cosmetic skincare range as well as their makeup range. But today I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the skincare range. I've been using the skincare range for about just over a month now, and if you go and compare my before or previous pictures as well as videos and go back to this video, I mean, the results, it's amazing. I mean, it's still in the same room, still in the same lighting, still everything the same, and the results has been amazing for me. I have had a very dull skin. Like, I had a really dull skin and a very sensitive skin. I couldn't use any products on my face. I couldn't even use aqua cream on my face without getting breakouts. That's how sensitive and acne prone my skin was or is. And this product or this range from Shiloh Beauty is literally the first product with the makeup and the skincare range that I can use without getting any breakouts, without getting rashes or anything like that. So it's really just benefited my skin, and it's for any skin types. That's what I love about this product. If you have oily skin, you can use it. Combination skin, you can use it. Dry skin, you can use it. Sensitive, acne prone, whatever skin type you are, you can use these products. So the results that I have found and seen in my skin, and you can actually go back to the videos, like I said, to compare it yourself as well, and you will agree with me too. So I had a really dull skin. I have this natural glow to my skin. The dark circles around my eyes are much lighter, and I had acne scarring, but quite bad, that they actually almost looked purplish, especially on my skin, and that has lightened tremendously. It improved my acne so much. And if I do get a few pimples now and again, if it's that time of the month, I stick to my skincare routine, and that just sorts it all out and it goes away. And I'm so excited to share with you, they have a promotion coming this November. It is November now, but they have a special. It's like a summer special, okay? So what you will get is the Radiant Image Deep Cleansing Vitamin C Face Wash and the serum and the Day and the Night cream and the SPF 50 Photoshop primer for 500 Rand. All 4 products for 500 Rand. So this is really a great deal. So if you need to stock up on your skincare range, or if you haven't tried it yet, this is your chance to get it. You will not be disappointed. So let me just share a little bit more information about it again. So as I've mentioned before, the skincare range consists out of vitamin C, glucosamine, and niacinamide. So vitamin C face wash. After you have washed your face, it's your first step. You will immediately see that your skin looks much more brighter, glowy, radiant. It doesn't look as dull anymore. So it has instant brightening benefits, and it also deep cleanses your skin. Excuse me, got a little bit tongue twisted there. So yes, it deep cleanses your skin too. So if you wear makeup, even dirt, whatever, it cleanses everything, cleans everything properly. Then after you have washed your face, you are going to use the serum. And then after the serum, the day and the night cream. So it's really easy. The day and the night cream as well as the serum consist out of niacinamide, glucosamine, and vitamin C. They have amazing benefits. These products work so well together. It really diminishes your fine lines, your wrinkles. It helps with the redness, your pigmentation, blemishes, and it also makes your skin look glowy and not so dull anymore, which I love. So even if you have acne, it helps with your acne as well, clearing it up. Those pimples, you know, we all have those times. So it really just benefits your skin. You know, glucosamine and niacinamide, they do wonders together. Glucosamine actually also inhibits melanin production, it accelerates cell repair, and it stimulates the skin to produce hyaluronic acid. So it plumps up your skin. It just makes you look like you have a baby skin if you use this product. And you know, I've been only using this product for just over a month now, and the results that I've seen, it's tremendous. And then after you have done these 3 steps, you will use, when it's daytime, the SPF 50 Photoshop primer. So it has SPF 50 in it. I mean, you don't find many products that has SPF 50, usually like 15 or maybe 30, but this has SPF 50 in it, especially now for the summer too. I mean, the sun is harsh and the sun damages your skin too, so it's so important to use the SPF 50. But it's just not just a primer, so you don't have to just use it before you apply your foundation. It has skincare benefits added to it as well. It lightens the marks too. I mean, it gives you, yes, it does give you a smooth and a matte surface to apply the foundation as it fills in your pores, and it's really great, but it also takes care of your skin. Okay, so not only that, something interesting. So like I've mentioned, when it's that time of the month, I get a few pimples, and then I actually use my primer as a mask, like a thick mask on my skin. I sleep with it, and I promise you, the next day it went flat. I promise you, you won't believe it. I actually took photos the other day, about a week ago. I had like 4 in a row here, and I was like so, and then I just applied like a mask and I slept with it, and then the next morning, boop, it was flat. So I was like, wow, this is like magical. So I really believe in this product. It's the best product out there. I really truly believe it, and you should try it too. If you haven't tried it yet, this is your opportunity. The special, all 4 of these products for only 500 Rand. And if you need to stock up on your skincare range, another special just came your way. So thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, I'm not wearing any makeup today and I feel good. I really feel good. Have a good Monday. Bye.